Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are in this world. This is Hedgeley with an update for Bitcoin. Sunday evening, hedging.com members received a significant update regarding the status of Bitcoin. And that is that we had a triggering of a major investor class level buy signal. Here we have a semi-log chart of Bitcoin, where we also have a 50-week moving average. I do not use the exponential moving average, which gives greater emphasis to nearer term price data. So in this signal, when price crosses to the upside of the 50-week moving average, it's a major buy signal. Back in 2012, 10,109% return could have been garnered. When price crosses to the downside of the moving average, a sell signal is triggered. Back in 2014-15 correction, we had a buy signal, which returned 2,735% in return. And that's exactly what we have again playing out right now. As of Sunday evening, we had a decisive weekly bar above the 50-week moving average, which also translated into a right translated cycle. Right translated cycle is bullish. Why? Price peaked after the midpoint. That means majority of the time, price spent in rising, which is a bullish indication. This investor class buy signal is significant. If you have a next 24 to 36 months time frame, it is telling you to buy and hold. And as it rises, you buy the corrections, even though they may be 30, 40, 50%. You buy the corrections. You buy the dips. Every correction is to be sold until price again crosses to the downside of the 50-week moving average. And that probably will not happen for the next 24, 36 months. So this is a very exciting time. This is a time to be not myopic, to be not concerned as to what price you get in at. This is a time to be entering into Bitcoin for a buy and hold for 24 to 36 months. It doesn't matter how much you put into it from a dollar perspective. $500, $1,000, $100K, $700K, $10 million. Whatever the amount, even a $500 input back in the 2014-15 correction would have garnered you 2,735%. That is significant. And I think the next move we are about to have from a dollar perspective will dwarf what we have already seen. So this is a very, very significant information to have under your belt, to consider, to put in a small portion of your net worth into Bitcoin and hold it. And if you happen to have additional cash, to buy the dips, because we will get the corrections. They may be sometimes scary, 30, 40, 50%. You buy those dips. And you keep dollar cost averaging for the next 24 to 36 months. The wealth building effect, the impact that would have, would be massive. So I think this is very significant. Evidence of performance is established from a very simple 50-week moving average indicator that the buy signal is uncanny. And the confidence of the evidence of performance would relate to the potential of this to rise to a level that could dwarf the 10,000, that could dwarf the combined two entries of 153,000%. So what I would recommend is, no matter the amount, take a position in Bitcoin. This information was in advance distributed to hedging.com members for weeks. And finally, the triggering effect was confirmed this past Sunday. Hedging.com is a community that is fast growing in membership. And I would like to encourage you to also to review and check out the public blogs of hedging.com and consider membership at the gold, silver, or the bronze memberships. So come join us, learn with us, share with us, and let's profit together.